What's going on, you guys? So there it is. The brand new channel car is a 2020 Jeep Gladiator Rubicon. This thing is brand spanking new. It is black on black on black. And the plans for this car include tinting the windows, getting some beefier tires, putting a lift kit on it, and getting some lights underneath it. I think that looks really cool. Also a LED strip light on the front of it, as well as a few spotlights. Also a thing that covers the bed. I'm not sure what they're called, but it goes over like that. I really like how those make the car look. But yeah, we just picked this thing up yesterday, so I'm super excited to share this with you guys. If you have any suggestions for modifications, make sure you comment them down below, and we'll take it from there. I'm super excited to share this car with you guys. We're definitely going to take it off-roading. We're going to take it to the sand dunes, drive it in the snow, and really see what this thing can do. And who knows, maybe even engine swap later down the road. But we've officially joined the Jeep Nation and Gladiator Nation, so let's go, boys. I'm going to do a full in-depth review of this car in the next day or so make sure you stay tuned for that. Also, if you guys haven't already, please subscribe. It really makes a huge difference for me. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this, and stay tuned for more. Let's get it.